Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download files from Canva onto your mobile device. And basically in this video I'm using an iPhone, but it's the exact same on Android when you're using the Canva app. And if this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. Anyway, let's get into it. So I've got this project right here, I've been editing it, and now I'm happy to actually download and export the file onto my camera roll on my mobile device. So what you do is, well, there's actually two ways to do it. A quick way, if you're happy with the file type as it is, it's going to automatically, for an image, it's going to suggest that you use a PNG file format. And what you can do is press the downwards pointing arrow with the horizontal line underneath. That's a quick download option. And that's going to actually download the image directly onto this device. And you can actually confirm again, it'll do it a second time, but you can press save image and that will download the file again onto your camera roll. So there should actually be two files downloaded in here. And we have this one, and we have this one, the exact same, just downloaded two times there. So let's actually go back into Canva and show you the other way. Let's just say that you wanted to change the file type and you wanted to make it either a JPG or a PDF or a GIF or whatever file type you want. You can go up to the top right button and then press download. And then from there, you can see file type is suggested as PNG, but press into there and then we can actually select which file type you want to save as. So you can press JPG. For the sake of this video, I'm going to select JPG. And once I've finalized everything, press download at the bottom. And that's going to download and export the file onto your mobile device. So again, we can actually press save image here and it should have downloaded another two files, both exported as .jpg. So let's go up to the photos section. And now we have four images. As we can see, we've got two extra ones saved as .jpgs. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks.